Good evening, everyone. I request Revati ma'am to conduct the session.
Hello, good evening, students. Hello. Am I visible and audible, sir?
Yes, you are, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, good evening, students. In the last class, we have seen what and all the taxonomic categories. In that, we have seen species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom, which means from the least to top that we have seen. In that, what and all we have seen? The fundamental similarity, which means the reproduction. Based on that, we categorized a few organisms as a species, and a group of species will be placed in the genus, and the closely related genus will be placed in the family. Then closely related family will be placed in the order, and then group of order or the related order will be placed in the class, and based on the group of class and the phylum has described. In the phylum we have another part that is known as the division, which is completely for the plants, and then topmost hierarchy is the kingdom, which means that is the universal biggest group. In that kingdom, in the sense animal kingdom, plant kingdom, like that. If it is an animal kingdom, all kind of animals, which and all based of genus, species, order, family, class, phylum, everything will be placed in one kingdom, plant kingdom. We don't want to go and search other things, because we will be having entire plant details and hello.
Yes, excuse me, ma'am. Would you please keep the camera a little more closer to the board?
So actually it is fixed somehow.
Okay.
It's very hard to keep close.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
It's becoming a little blurred sometimes. Oh.
Sir?
It's going a little blurred sometimes.
Blurred. Yeah,
Sometimes.
okay.
Yeah, it's now fine. It's fine now.
Okay.
Thank you.
In that kingdom, in the sense, we have a plant kingdom and animal kingdom, like that. How it is in the plants, like in the animal kingdom also, all kind of animals, all kind of things will be placed in one entire universal big group, that is kingdom. And we have seen the each thing: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom. Separately we have seen everything. Can anyone just recap what we have seen in 2 to 3 lines? Students, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I was not there in last class.
Okay.
You.
Okay, fine. So, now we are going to see taxonomical aids. So, taxonomical means we know what is a taxonomical process, that includes and that possesses naming, classification, identification, and nomenclature. And what and all the taxonomical aids? Aids means that is the hello.
Ma'am, your camera is not audible.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Your camera is off, I think.
First of all, it's a for
Ma'am, actually here we got a power cut, ma'am. I don't know when
Oh,
it will come back.
okay. Deepashri, ma'am, can you take the class?
So did you find all the sides of bilateral? Minus a comma
Yes,
minus
students,
b.
please wait for a few seconds. Is the power back, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Yes, comma.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Deepashri, ma'am.
Continue class.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I will take over, ma'am. I'll continue with this class.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yes, ma'am. Arun sir will take over.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So what is it? Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. There was a technical issue over there, so let's continue with physics. The students, most of the students over here are new. In fact, all of them seem to be new here. They were irregular. Ifra, Jyoti, and Harika, and other students as well. So let me know what are your doubts specifically so that I can continue from there. Where is that you're lagging? Dot product, were you there for the dot product or were you there for addition and subtraction of vectors? Where is that you missed? So that I'll continue from there. Please unmute and speak. Or should I revise addition and subtraction of vectors? Ifra, Jyoti, Harika.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, so what is that you want me to continue with? Because we are ahead in vectors, but you missed out many classes in vectors I've seen. So have you attended the recorded
Can
sessions?
I get some questions on vectors topic?
All right, all right. So let's do with basic questions on vectors.
Sorry, sir.
Let's do some basic questions on vectors. All right.
Vectors.
I'll put the question and solve the question. Put the question, solve the question. After a couple of questions, I'll give you a chance to think about it. But you please try to understand what I'm doing.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Any issue?
I'm giving you a DPP consisting of 16 questions, 16 or 17 questions. But do you have access to the DPP right now?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat again, please?
You have the access to a DBP which I sent a couple of days ago. DBP on vectors.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, let's solve the DBP. Have you tried the DBP? Have you tried attempting the questions?
Yes, sir.
All right, then let's solve that complete DBP now. All right.
Okay.
Good. And tomorrow we'll have a doubt session. Please correct all your doubts and be ready. Okay, so the question is, yeah, let's look at the fourth question. Fourth question in the DBP. Fourth question says there are two vectors A and B, 4I cap and minus 3j cap, 6I cap plus 8j cap. A bar is 4I cap minus 3j cap. B bar is 6I cap plus 8j cap. Find the magnitude or direction of A bar plus B bar.
To 4 I
Sorry?
cap
Sorry?
A is equal to 4 I cap minus 3j.
Yeah.
Is that 3 or 5?
This 3. Sorry, this 3.
Okay, sir.
Alright. And the other vector is 6I cap, 8j cap. Okay. Now, he's asking A bar plus B bar. So what is A bar plus B bar? It is, I just simply add X components and Y components. AX I cap plus BY J cap. AX I cap plus BX J cap. AX, AY, BX, BY. AX plus BX, I cap. AY plus BY, J cap. That would be 10 I cap plus 5 J cap. This is my C bar, which is addition of A plus B. 10 I cap plus 5 J cap. Are you convinced? It's 5. It's not 11. It is 8 minus 3. So 5. 6 plus 4, 10. So this is my vector. He is asking the
Yes, sir.
magnitude and asking the magnitude and direction. If I see so 10 and 5. This is my
This
alpha.
is
This is
vector
5.
addition, sir.
So what is the resultant? I need the magnitude and direction. All right, I've got in Cartesian form, component form. But if I ask you what is the magnitude of this vector, what would that be? Mod C bar is root of Cx square plus Cy square, which is nothing but 10 square plus 5 square, which is nothing but 125, which
Yes.
is nothing but 5 root 5.
Root 5.
So 5 root 5 is the magnitude. I want the angle now. How do you get the angle? Look at this right angle triangle. 5 by 10 is tan alpha. So tan alpha is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. So alpha is tan inverse of 1 by 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go for the next one, fifth one. Fifth question. A truck traveling due north at 20 meters per second turns west and travels at the same speed. Find the change in its velocity. He wants change, delta V. Change is always final minus initial. Final
Yes.
velocity minus initial velocity.
Sir, you just give one question, we will try to solve it.
All right, try this fifth question. Try to solve this change in velocity. Find the change in velocity when the particle or car took a turn towards west. It's going north with speed of 20 meters per second, then took a turn towards west, traveling at the same speed.
We should find the change of what?
Change in velocity. Delta V. Final minus initial, V2 minus V1 or VF minus VI. Car was going north. Took a turn towards left. So V1, V2. I want V2 minus V1, which is delta
Sir,
V. Sorry?
under root of vi square plus vf square plus 2 into vi into vf into cos theta.
Okay, what is theta here?
Theta is cos theta.
Yeah, cos theta. Theta means what is theta here? 0 degrees, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree.
In question is it's not mentioned, no?
It is mentioned.
Oh,
It is mentioned in the question.
I did not listen, sir.
No, read the question carefully. A truck is traveling due north. I've drawn the diagram as well. Due north, it is taking a turn towards west. So angle now is
90 degrees.
yeah. So it's mentioned in the question.
Cos theta is cos 90 is equal to 1.
No,
How?
cos 90 is not 1.
90 is equal to 0, sir.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. So I get V2 plus of minus V1. This is V2. I reverse this vector V1. I get minus V1. This is my resultant, delta V. If this is 20, this is also 20. This is a right angle triangle. So what would delta V be?
V1 square plus V2 square.
So how much is that? Yes, that's right. How much is that? Good.
I'm not able to see that values. 20 and
No, it's given in the question. Don't look at this diagram. It's given in the question.
where is the question, sir?
You don't have the DPP with you?
Sir, your board is not clear.
Oh, it's blurred, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
It is okay now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, if I move closer, that's going blurred.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. So one is 20, the other is also 20 because he said the speed is same, it's the same speed. He has taken a turn and maintained the same speed. He was going towards north with 20, but again went towards turn towards left, that is west, at the speed of 20 itself, continuing to move with speed 20 itself, without a change in speed. Travels at the same speed, he says.
Zero.
No, your answer is right. Root of v1 square plus v2 square.
Yes.
So substitute v1 and v2 there.
V1 20 plus into minus minus. 20 minus 20 is 0 also.
No. Where you're going wrong is, look at this. Root of 20 square plus 20 square is my delta v, which is 20 root 2. 20 square plus 20 square. Now there's a square here. All I have to do is just the magnitude of it. See, direction is reversed. It's 20 itself. It is
Yes,
not minus
sir.
20.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So that's the delta v. He's asking for delta v, which is 20 root 2. But also we also need the direction, because he says velocity. Velocity is a vector. So change in velocity, I got the magnitude of change in velocity, but direction would be from this triangle. This is 20 and this is 20. So this angle is 45. If this is 45 and this is north, this is west, this is south, this direction is southwest. So change in velocity is 20 root 2 in the direction of 45 degrees with the horizontal, or 45 degrees towards south,
Yes,
south
sir.
of west, all right, in the southwest direction. All right, so whenever you talk of a vector, I need a magnitude and direction. Don't forget that. All right, and if at all you get a zero answer, look at it whether it's absurd or not. Zero is an absurd answer. Why? Because I want the length of this vector, and this vector has certain length. This is non-zero length. So zero is definitely a wrong answer. So if at all you get in calculation zero, think about it again and check whether you are actually where you're committing a mistake and are you actually getting zero or not. All right. All right. Let's go for the next one.
Yes, sir.
Find the eighth one. Eighth question.
Which question, sir?
Eighth one. Eight. So eighth one says forces F1, F2 acting along the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 respectively. Find the resultant of the forces. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. So F1 is acting along y-axis of 1 Newton. F2 is along y is equal to 0, which is nothing but y is equal to 0 is x-axis. So F is equal to 2, F2 is equal to 2 units along x-axis. So these are the two vectors. I need the resultant of these two vectors. All you have to do is resultant of two vectors at an angle of 90 degrees. All right, from the Pythagoras theorem itself, you can do it. How do I get the resultant of these two vectors? One is one vertically upward, one is two towards right, horizontally rightward.
Sir, formula is 2 I cap plus J cap.
Yeah, right. So F bar is equal to 2 I
2
cap
I
plus
J cap.
j cap. Yeah, this is not the formula. This is the vector.
Yes.
All right. Now I want the magnitude of this vector. How do I get the magnitude of this vector? You're right. Go ahead. You're doing it right.
Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2.
Correct. That's all. The direction is right. So tan theta is 1 by 2.
Theta is equal to tan inverse into half.
Yeah, tan inverse half.
Yes.
All right. It's not tan inverse into half. It's tan inverse half.
Okay.
Yeah. So you what you said is right. Tan theta is right. Now I want the magnitude of this. Magnitude of this vector. See,
Root
mod
of
f is
square plus F1 square plus F2 square.
correct. Excellent. That's it. So what do you get?
F is nothing but force.
Yeah. So what do you get? Substitute the values f1 and f2.
1 F1 is equal to 1n, F2 is equal to 2n.
Yes. So
1
substitute the values and tell me magnitude of the force.
is equal to root 5.
That's it. Root 5. Root 5 is the answer. So root 5 and the angle is tan inverse 1 by 2.
Yes.
Right? That's good. That's good, Fatima. Look at the ninth one.
Sir, give me 2 minutes, I will solve.
Sorry?
Give me some time, I'll solve and say the answer.
Sure. Harika. Yeah, how about others? Please take part. Harika, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Then please take part in the discussion. Harika, have you understood the previous question? Harika,
Sir?
have you understood the previous question?
No, sir.
No, then you should have asked.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so what is that you want to understand from the previous question? There are two vectors, one and two, 1 Newton and 2 Newton. One is vertically
Yes, sir.
upward along y-axis, the other is horizontally along x-axis. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
my x and y-axis are as shown. So my vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap. 2i cap plus j cap, 1 j cap.
Yes,
So
sir.
magnitude of this vector is nothing but fx square plus fy square under root.
Okay.
So magnitude, what do I get? 2 square plus 1 square under root is root 5. That's how I got the magnitude.
Okay, sir.
But vector is complete with direction as well. I need direction also to give the complete information about the vector. Magnitude వచ్చేసింది ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్షన్ రావాలి ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ చూస్తే tan inverse of 1 by 2 opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is tan inverse 1 by 2.
Sir, completed the problem, ninth.
Sorry?
I have completed the problem, ninth one.
Oh, good. All right.
Answer is 20 I cap minus 5 J cap minus 4 K cap.
20 I cap.
Yes.
No. Just a second. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
20 I minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, minus 4 k cap. Okay. All right. Harika, you try to solve this question, ninth question. We have got three vectors. I'll write it on the board. Three vectors are A, B, and C. Required is A minus 2B plus 3C. Two I cap plus J cap.
Into cap plus j cap
All right. B bar is
equal to 3 j cap minus k cap. C is equal to 6 I cap minus
okay.
2 k. Yes, sir. It will be easy if we do like this.
Yeah. Good. So I multiply this with how much is that? What is the constant? Minus 2. I multiply this with minus 2, and I multiply this with plus 3.
Plus
So
3.
what do I get? Minus 2 here, plus 3 here. So I add x components. 18 plus 2, which is 20 I cap, as you said.
Yes, 20.
And this would be 6 plus 7, 7 j cap. And this would be
This
minus,
value will be converted as minus, no? Then
yeah, so it is
will,
minus 5 j cap, right?
yes,
Yeah, thank you. Right. Now, how about this third one? K cap? This is gone.
minus 4 k cap.
Minus?
Because multiplying with 2, no?
Right. So this is my resultant. And that's the question. That's what he's asking.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's go for the next one, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Look at the 11th one.
11 or 7?
11.
Okay.
You try, you think about it, then we'll discuss. In this also he's asking change. Change would be final minus initial.
Yes, sir. Delta.
Delta P, right?
Here delta P is equal to P2 minus P1.
Correct. Good.
Then it is equal to mv sine theta I cap plus mv cos theta j cap.
What is this? What is this? P1 or
Sine,
P2?
yes, P2.
P2, right? Good.
P1
Good.
is mv sine theta I cap minus mv cos theta j cap. P1.
Very good. Excellent. Just a second. I'll just complete this. Whatever you're telling, I'll write it here. P naught sine theta I cap
I
plus
cap
P naught.
mv cos theta
Yeah,
j cap.
MV. I'm writing MV as P naught. All right.
Okay.
J cap. And P1 is
2 mv cos theta.
okay. I want P2 minus P1, right?
Yes.
That's it. What you said is right. Go ahead.
2 mv minus cos theta j cap I cap.
J cap.
Okay.
Because I cap is getting cancelled out. P naught sine theta minus P naught sine theta is getting cancelled out.
There, okay.
And this is adding up. P naught cos theta minus of minus P naught cos theta, which is 2 P naught cos theta. And that is J cap. And that's it. That's the result. That's change. If you look at this change, that is directed vertically upward along y-axis. Right? All right.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes, sir. Now we can go to another one.
Yeah. Go for the 12th one.
Sir, we are doing.
Yeah, please try.
Sir, we have to use the formula here. Vector.
Okay.
A by mod A
Uh-huh.
is equals to 3 I cap plus 4 J cap under by
Okay. Okay.
next we can
Yeah.
write
Yeah. Divided by what's in the denominator?
root of 3 square plus 4 square.
Correct. That is 5.
This is equals to 3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 J cap.
Yes, correct. Yeah, now
Next, B mod B is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. Sir,
okay.
I'm doing 10,
Okay.
4. Under root of 7 square plus 24 square.
Okay.
7 square 49
Okay.
plus 7 square plus 25, sir. Mod B is equal to 25.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. And then
And next one, required yes, sir. B in mod B into A.
correct. Mod B into A cap.
Be-
What you found out is a unit vector along A bar, right?
Yes.
So what is the unit vector you got?
3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 J cap.
Correct. That unit vector into 25 is my answer.
Yes, that is the answer. And I have solved that also. And the next answer is 15 I cap plus 20 J cap.
Which one?
This problem only I have solved again. 20,
Okay.
20
Okay.
3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 J cap.
Okay. Fifteen I cap plus 20 J cap.
Yes, sir. This is what I got.
That's the answer. That's the answer, right? That's it.
Yes.
Good. Excellent. Let's go for the 14th one now. Yeah. So what does the question say? So he has given two
Sir,
vectors.
confusion.
All right. That's okay. So he has given two vectors. I minus 3 plus 2.
Plus 2 and 3 plus 6 minus 7.
3.
Plus 6 minus 7.
All right. Now these are the two vectors. I have to add these two vectors along with another vector over here, which is, let's say, AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap.
Yep.
I have to add all these three vectors such that the resultant should be 0 I cap plus J cap plus 0 K cap.
How can we know the resultant before solving the problem?
Exactly. He has mentioned the question. Question mein he said that the resultant vector is a unit vector along y-axis. So what is the unit vector along y-axis?
Okay, okay, sir.
So J cap. So
Yes.
resultant is only J cap. So this should be 0 and this should be 0. And over here it should be 1 J cap. So I know the resultant. So he has given me the resultant in the question. He's asking this vector A bar, B bar, C bar. Sorry, A cap, B cap, and C cap. ABC is asking vector ABC. He has given these two vectors. He has given the resultant, but indirectly. He has framed the sentence in such a way that I get the resultant to be J cap. That's what he means. All right. Now solve it.
Sir,
I
now
add this
A plus
1 plus 3, A plus 4,
yes,
I cap
A plus I cap
plus B plus 3,
B
J cap plus C minus 5, K cap is equal to J cap.
yes, sir.
So A is equal to minus 4. Why? Because X component is 0. So this
Yes.
component should be 0.
Okay.
This component should be 0 and this component should be 1.
1.
So A
How
is
that
equal
should
to, yeah, because look at the J component. J component is 1 over here. No? He said unit vector along J cap, Y axis.
yeah.
That is
Okay.
1J. 1J. So what is the coefficient of J here?
1.
That is supposed to be 1. So I'm comparing the coefficients of vectors on left hand side and right hand side.
Okay.
Right hand side I've got no X and K components. X and Z components I don't have. So that means these two should also turn out to be 0. I component coefficient of I and coefficient of K should turn out to be 0.
Sir,
Coefficient of I and coefficient of K should be
should
0 because I don't have X and Z components here.
yes.
What remains is only Y component where coefficient of J is 1. So this should turn out to be 1. B plus C should be equal to 1.
Yes.
That's it. So A is equal to minus 4, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 5. So my vector is minus 4 I cap, minus 2 J cap, plus
Plus
5
5 K cap.
K cap. And if this is added to these two vectors, what I get is a unit vector along Y axis.
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Sir, let me copy this one, please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir. It's completed.
Good. So next one would be look at 15th one. 1 5. 15th one.
Sir, we have to use the vector.
Yeah, you use the resultant formula. Root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta.
Given 2f and root 2f.
Yes.
And we have to find the RF resultant force.
Correct.
So at P root of 10 square,
Okay.
P under root 10 whole square.
See, my resultant square or resultant is equal to root of a square plus
Plus B square
b
plus
square plus
AB cos theta.
right. So I've got everything except theta.
Yes.
I'll find out theta.
Yes.
So what is resultant? 10f square.
Next 2p square. Under root of 2p square plus yes, sir. Then 4 is equals to 4 plus 2, 6. That 6 should be converted into left side 10f square minus 6f square.
Okay.
And next remaining 4 root 2 f square cos theta.
So 4 gets cancelled out, f square gets cancelled out.
1 by root 2, sir.
So what is theta? Pi by 4
Yes.
or 45 degrees.
Yes,
Equivalently
sir.
45 degrees. All right. That's the question. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, look at 16th one. Look at 17th one. Sorry. 17th one. 1 7.
Mod f is equal to mod f is equal to mod f is equals to under root of f by 2 square plus f by 2 square.
That's it. That was very quick. Good. But can you draw the diagram as well? Can you draw the geometry as well? Because he says the resultant of these two is counterbalanced by the third force. What is the magnitude of that force?
F by root 2.
Right. Right.
Right angle diagram, sir.
Yeah. So I've got one force this way, F by 2.
F
Another
by
force
2,
this way,
F
F by
by
2. Resultant of these two is this way, F by
net.
root 2. Now,
Yes, yes.
this third force should be equal to F by root 2 and opposite in direction.
Yes, sir.
That's it. You're right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at 16th question.
Sir, here also we have to use vector formula.
Yes.
And resultant is also already given.
Okay.
That is 10.
Okay.
So R is equal to under root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta formula.
Okay.
So R is equal to 10 and cos theta is equal theta here 180 degrees, sir.
No, R is not equal to 10. See, he says R is equal to 50. There are two resultants here. There are two situations and two resultants. In the first situation, he says
Yes, R is equal to 50, sir.
Yeah,
Theta is equal to 90.
right.
Yes.
But how do you
Theta
use the first? How do you use the fact given in the first sentence? First sentence may is given that when they are oppositely directed, resultant is 10.
resultant force when the force are two.
Let us do it this way. Some xi cap is one force,
Yes.
yi cap is another force.
Yes, sir.
So F2 minus F1 is equal to 10 I cap,
Yes.
or F2 mod F2 minus F2 is 10. Right. So I can write y is equal to x plus 10.
Yes, sir.
Now what I do? They are at right angles. One is x, the other x plus 10. The resultant is 50.
50.
So I use Pythagoras theorem or the formula. Both are the same, one is the same thing. All right. In this
Yes.
case, because angle is 90, cos 90 disappears. And what results is the Pythagoras theorem. So x square plus x plus 10 whole square is equal to 50 square.
T square.
So expand this. So I'll have 2x square plus 20x plus
Tx
100 is equal to
plus
2500.
yes.
So I'll have x square plus 10x minus 1400. Sorry, minus,
Minus 100. 2400.
yeah, 1200 because I've taken 2 common. I've taken 2 common.
Yes. And that 2500 will become minus 2500, no?
Yeah,
So
I've jumped a step. I skipped a step. I've written direct step.
but
Yeah,
that will become 2400, no?
this is 2400, but if I cancel out 2, if I take
Yes,
2
yes.
common,
Yes, sorry, okay.
that's what I skipped a step.
Yes.
Yeah, waste of time now.
Yes, sir.
Huh. All right. Now solve this one. You'll get x minus x plus 30. Sorry, x plus 40 times x minus 30 equal to 0. Now I get two roots. X is equal to 30, comma x is equal to minus 40.
Yes.
Now look at this. I have written
Yes.
f vector as xi cap. X is just a number here. It could be positive or negative. I'm not saying this is the length of the vector. I'm
Sir,
saying
but
that's
I
just
got the answer in negative.
sorry,
I got the answer in negative value.
which value? What is the value you got?
That 40 is negative.
Yeah, minus 40, right? It's minus
Yes.
40. 30 and minus 40. So x
Yes.
could be 30 or x could be minus 40.
Okay. Okay,
All
sir.
right. So what is he asking ultimately? Find the two forces. So 30 and 40 or minus 40 and minus 30. So just the direction is reversed, but the length remains the same. Look at this. I am not saying here x is the length of the vector, that's fine. But over here x is the number, which is multiplied with I. Scalar, which multiplied with I, vector. So I'll get, if x is negative, I'll get opposite to I. If x is positive, I'll get parallel to I. Parallel and anti-parallel to I.
Yes, sir. It's okay. Shall I copy this, sir?
All right. So with this,
Thank you, sir. It's completed.
all right, good. So we'll stop here. We'll continue the next class. And Ifra, you're doing good. Really good.
Thank
I appreciate that. You'll receive another DPP today, tomorrow morning, all right, after the class. You please
Actually, I
focus on
have
that DPP.
listened to all these classes from you, sir, and I saw these classes on YouTube.
Okay, that's what you missed the classes, right?
Yes.
Good, 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 Ifra.
Thank you.
But try to attend the classes as well, because once you enter into kinematics, that'll go at a little faster pace. So we'll have to focus a bit.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Chandrika, ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students. Again, we will meet tomorrow morning, 5 to 7.
Plus 6x is equal to 5. I am going to take this 5 is set without